got a water park in our backyard, you guys. So we strapped the GoPro to this higher education monster truck. We're gonna roll it off the roof and into the pool. He is going to send all of the trucks down at the same time. All right, you guys, now you're gonna go down the slide. Ready? Woo! Can he do it? Can he do it? And he made it. Hello friends, welcome to our video. It is a hot summer day outside and we are so glad you joined us. We are so glad that we have a nice, cool pool of water here. We got a water park. Oh, is that cold? Yeah. It looks cold. I want to go down. Come on, let's go down. We got a water park in our backyard, you guys. We made a water park. This is so awesome. We used our imaginations and now we're not going to be hot anymore, I think. Let's see. Look out. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Woo! Oh, that is. Oh no, you did not. I got one of those. All right, look out. Is it warm? Oh wow, this one's been sitting out in the sun, so this water gun has warm water in it. All right, I'm all filled up. I'm gonna see if I can squirt all the way up to the swing set. Oh, and he made it. Oh no, face first. What? Oh. Here we go. All right, so now we got Gravedigger. He's gonna go off of the roof and all the way down into the pool. Ready? Go. Oh, he didn't make it. He landed over here. Who's next? Son of a digger now. Oh, yeah. Go. Oh, whoa. That almost hit me, you guys. All right, next is Max D. Ready? Go. Oh, that was so cool. He landed right in front of the slide. All right, you guys, so we got a tugboat here, and we're gonna see if Axel can hit it. Who do we have? Blue Thunder? We're gonna see if Blue Thunder can hit the tugboat. Ready? On your mark. Get set, go. Oh, it was close. Let's see if Son of a Digger can do it. Go. Oh, dead on. It hit it, but it didn't sink. It's still floating around. All right, you guys, now we're gonna see if the monster trucks can go into this bucket. Let's see if you can get them to ramp in. Can it make it? Almost. Ready, go. Oh, score! Who is it? Son of a digger! Nice shot, man. Oh, don't fall off the ladder. All right, you guys, now what should we do? Hey, I got some Hot Wheels cars. Here, let's roll them down the slide. All right, you guys, so we got these 2 Hot Wheels cars. Axel's gonna race them down. Let's see what they do. Ready?
Like that.
Oh yeah, on top of each other. That's a great idea. Here we go. Oh, what? One of them went right here and the other one went way over there. Yeah. All right, you guys. Axel's gonna try to float in a boat. Okay, I got it. I got it. It's like a boat, you guys. It's floating legit. Wow.
Oh, let's get the other hose. Make a whirlpool. Help! Drowning in the whirlpool. Help! Help! Daddy, help!
Somebody save Axel.
Help!
Oh no, Johnny.
Oh, I got it out.
Me under. Oh.
I got you.
Okay, we'll do a monster truck whirlpool. Nice. Okay, you guys, so we strapped the GoPro to this higher education monster truck. We're gonna roll it off the roof and into the pool. All right, we got you guys strapped to it. Whoa, you ready?
All right, you guys ready?
That was so cool. All right, you guys, now you're gonna go down the slide. Ready? Get it. Oh, here you go. Woo! they're gonna crash into those?
Yeah.
Axel, I have an idea. You guys are gonna go down slide and crash into the other monster truck. That's a great idea, bro. Oh my gosh, Axel has so many things lined up for you guys to crash into.
And that.
Alright, are you ready?
There's
Alright,
higher education.
Here we go. Up, 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 up.
Down.
Alright, you ready, bro? Let them go. Alright, so I got you guys on this ferry boat here. So you guys are inside this ferry boat right now, and Axel is going to try to hit you guys with the monster truck. He's got the monster trucks up there, okay? Alright, so the challenge is to see if he can knock you guys off of the ferry boat, okay? Alright, bro, you think you're up for the challenge? Let's see. Not quite. Oh, you have to push it harder. Oh my gosh, we only have one more monster truck. See if you can knock him off. Oh, I didn't get him. All right, you guys, we're still doing the ferry boat challenge here. So you guys are still on. Axel's gonna see if he can get you with the big recycling truck. It's way up there. All right, bro. What? It didn't get them.
It's going on its wheels.
Oh, wow, look at that. Dude, it's upright. Look, the recycling truck's in the whirlpool.
It's swimming.
Wow, check it out.
Filling up with water.
Let's see if you can get him. It didn't get you guys. So y'all are undefeated, but Axel has a plan. He is going to send all of the trucks down at the same time.
And if this doesn't get him, I don't know what.
I don't know what will either. Oh my gosh, that is insane, bro.
What if this was one giant monster?
It kind of is like it is that. All right, bro, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, you guys, Axel's gonna try again. Are you ready, bro? All right, when I say go, okay? 3, 2, 1, go! Did you get him?
No!
Oh my god! Oh! It sunk! You got him, dude! That was so close. I thought he wasn't gonna get you guys. Wow, that was crazy.
The GoPro's upright.
It's upright. Oh my gosh, you're right. Wow.
It's aiming straight at the truck.
You guys see this? Do you see the Hot Wheels cars going by? He sunk you guys. That's crazy. I didn't think it would work. That is awesome. All right, well, you getting a little cold now?
Yeah, let's go home.
Let's go inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys, it's getting cooler. The sun went down behind the trees, and where there was all sun right here before, and now it's all shady. As we put this stick here to mark a 10-minute mark, and then the shade was right there, and like 20 minutes ago. Now it's like way over there. It's so crazy. Dude, so Axel, is this cool having a water park in your backyard? Dude.
Can we leave it here?
You know what? We'll probably have to dump that water out because it'll kill the grass right there if we don't. All right, you guys, so we're gonna dump all the water out of the pool because we gotta move it so it doesn't kill the grass. We're gonna make an epic flood so it goes whoosh, and maybe these boats will like float to the grass. Who knows what's gonna happen? This is gonna be cool. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! That was cool! Wow!
There's a pool of
It is legitimately flooded here.
Tomorrow we won't have to water this area for like a week.
Yeah, we won't have to. Axel's chore is watering the grass here, you guys. He won't have to water this grass for a long time. That's for sure. All right, you guys, we have had so much fun playing out in the sunshine and getting some fresh, cool water on us. Oh, I love doing that, especially with our monster trucks and especially with our friends, Axel and you guys. We love you guys and we think you are so amazing. Just like I love Axel and I think he is super awesome and amazing. We love you too. All right, you guys, well, we're so glad you could join us today, and we hope you get outside in the summertime and have some adventures out in some cool water and get refreshed. All right, well, if you like this video, if you could give us a thumbs up, we'd really appreciate it. And if you could hit the subscribe button, it'll let YouTube know that you want to see more of our videos in the future. We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.